how to do the Peacock Pose from Kalari Fighting. In order to do the Peacock Pose, we start with the knee dancer position and lift our left leg upwards. When we lift our left leg, make sure that you extend your toes towards the ground, right? And then you just move your leg backwards and keep your right leg straight and bend towards the front. So you just make a T while going down like this, and you extend your hands towards the side, making it the peacock feathers. So the move looks something like this. You start with the knee dancer position with your left leg, go down and extend your hand. You balance on your right, come back, take it down. You are back to the knee dancer position. That's how you do the peacock pose in Kalari Fighting. Thanks for watching. Until then, keep exploring.
Thanks for watching.
If you've liked our video,
Do like, share, subscribe and click the bell icon.
stay tuned.